what's up? It's your boy Magnificent back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we are doing Ghost by Justin Bieber. Alright, we have a kappa on second fret, as is with, a number of songs on this album. But we're gonna play this in basic chords, and let me show you what chords those are. First, we have an A minor, which is open, open, 2, 2, 1, open. And then we have an F, which is 1, open, 3, 2, 1, open. And then we have a C, open, 3, 2, open, 1, open. And then we have a G, 3, 2, open, 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 3. Right. And if I Alright, so that's A minor to F, and then C to G, A minor to F, C to G. Alright, and my strumming pattern here is down, down, up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, up, down. Alright, so down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down. Alright, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down. Alright, let's get into the verse, because I'm sure it has different chords, okay? Your touch and then I'm hollow. I know you can follow. Okay, so let's do that since the love that you live, because that's the only part that's different from the chorus that we already did. So we have what? Okay, so we have D minor, E minor, F, right? D minor is open, 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 2, 3, 1, and then E minor, open, 2, 2, open, 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 and then we go to F, right? So that's, and then we go to okay, so the second part is F, A minor, G, okay? So we have na 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 na. If I can't be, and if I can't be close to you. Alright, so the second F that we're using there is actually 1, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1. It's a bar chord. You're barring the first fret right there. Alright, that is basically it, I think. Let me just scroll to see if we have a progression change. Maybe there's like a bridge or something. If I can't be close to you, close to you, and I miss you more than life. Scroll. Okay, so the chords seem to be the same for more than life. Yep, the chords are the same for the rest of the song, guys. So there you go. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you, and do comment. Let me know if there's anything I should change on my tutorials or something like that, or like if there's a particular tutorial that you need that hasn't been uploaded to the web yet, or like a really new song. Peace.